Hi guys, AJ Gaming here. Today I'm going to give you some tips to improve on COD Mobile instantly. Okay guys, so we are going to play some Nuketown Russia. So guys, in this map you will have long range gunfights, and based on my first tip is just nothing but about your gunfights guys. So over in Nuketown you will get long range, medium range and short range combats guys. So you can use any gun like whichever you like guys. So not really worrying about a gun in Nuketown Russia obviously guys. Okay guys. So yeah, I am struggling by my gun selection. So this is the point guys. So over here where I am just sitting, you should be with a LMG or something like that bro. Okay, I'm getting shot. Yeah. So over here you just saw that I was getting shot and I just instantly dipped out of that situation guys because I was playing the cover guys. Okay, so this guy kills me over there. So guys, I was playing the cover, that's why I just dipped out of that situation and I just got to a cell chopper guys. And yeah, the second tip is playing the cover guys. The better you play the cover, the better you are going to play. Okay guys, that's a really important tip which you have to follow. Just play the cover, play easy, and yeah guys, that's easy. That's a really good tip. See how I'm playing the cover guys. Okay guys, I just got shot and just see I just left the combat and get back to safety, and then after my health is back again I will re-challenge that gunfight and win it. So guys, this is the gameplay. You have to just sit in the cover, okay? Don't ego chal everything guys, okay? So after this, my second tip is your movement guys. Yeah guys, okay, this shit K9 unit is coming on me guys. Okay, see guys, now we won the hard point guys. We lost it. So over here, no, you are doing a Proxima or something guys. Okay guys, see how I just dip out of the situation. When I know there are enemies around me, don't just challenge them guys. It's not going to help you. So I'll just set up a sentry turret over here and try to go upstairs. Okay guys, so I know that the hard point is right there and the whole team is spawning right here. So guys, what should you do? So guys, just slide cancel around the corners. Don't just straight away run because you don't know where the enemies are. See guys, I can just catch them easily off the aim guys. So this is how you want to play. Now if there's an enemy coming around, if he is a good player, he will beam me off guys. So this is the shit I'm talking about guys. So that enemy is sitting in the corner, my teammate killed him. So now we lost the hard point guys. We won it. And see, he is coming through and he kills me guys. So that guy just had really good gun skill over there. He outplayed me. He absolutely outplayed me right there guys. Okay guys, I got a kill. I'm not challenging that right now. So I got killed. I don't know how, but he really is playing well. Well, I have a cell chopper on. Okay, now just observe the hard point guys. It's right there. And now my next tip comes into play guys, which is just to snipe while you shoot guys. Just don't be in a random position shooting at the people guys. It is not really going to help you guys. Sniping is just too important. Just look how I'm moving around while I'm shooting guys. Look, I outplayed him. He just missed every shot. Yes, now we die to a predator himself. Yes guys, this shit bro. But whatever guys, just try to snipe while you shoot guys. It's a really important thing while playing COD Mobile, and many people fail to do this guys. You have to develop this guys. You have to do this. If you are just sitting still over here and just killing, I snipe to cover guys. Just see how I snipe while I'm just, yeah guys, just look. Easy guys, but still I'm sniping. Maybe a guy is sniping from the top. Look at that. Easy kills guys. Just snipe, it will be better, guys. And yeah, guys, an additional tip is flanking and watching the minimap, guys. Well, I don't know what shit is happening over there. Okay, guys, so just don't go over there. Just don't kill yourself going to a hard point. Look, guys, how I jump into cover. As I got shot, waiting for my HP to get 100%. And just wait, guys. The enemy is going to make a mistake. Okay, guys, there we go. Enemy is pushing. As they won, they thought that there's no one. So an easy double kill for me. Easy picks, guys. So just think. And now, guys, look. Just keep on moving, guys. Just don't stand still or something. Don't do that shit, guys. Will be an easy target for a sniper if he has some type of shots going on. Guys, see. Now I'm in cover. Getting some shots on of that enemy. And look, guys, my teammate disappeared behind me. So that means that enemy is spawning behind me. According to the minimap, guys. Yeah, guys. So have minimap availance. Okay, guys, however, we lost the match. But some tips which I prefer to play with are these.